Hey there, Linke Elite Training. My name is Omar Bakal. I work with Taurus SEO, and I just wanted to send you this quick video because I'm looking for a personal training business to work with over in Bowling Green. When I came across your guys' website on Google, so I wanted to send you this video with a couple tips and tricks on how you can get your website to rank higher. Because even though I did find it on Google, I found it on the second page of Google, and really and truly, where you want to be, you want to be here. You want to be on the first page, ideally, beating out OP Fitness. And Thumbtack and all these other places, and also being one of the top businesses in this map pack right here is getting your business right here. So I just wanted to send you this quick video to show you exactly how you can, get from the second page of Google and get to the first page and dominate your competition. The first tip for getting your website to rank organically is content. Content is very key. This is something that Google likes. They like to see a lot of words on your website. You do have a well-built website. It's got some really good flow. It loads really quickly, but there's just not a lot of content on there in regards to personal training and personal fitness. If you went over to Google, we typed in exercise, for example, one of the first things that pops up is Wikipedia because, they are the authority on exercising. Anything related to exercise, whether it's, CrossFit, something related to sleep, and, even easier, you can look at the content. This is something that, Wikipedia is. They are the authority on, exercise information. Even though it may not be quality, it is a website that's got a lot of content on it, from top to bottom, and a lot of websites linking to it. So the more content you have, when Google comes and looks at your page and and does an analysis, if it sees content, keywords, it'll rank your website high because it's shown that you are an authority, on those specific keywords. So that's something that you definitely want to put on your website, is just a lot more content, fleshing out, classes and schedules, fleshing out this a bit more, fleshing out your contact information, but really expanding a lot on, a lot of these pages, and, writing a blog post or two. That's something that will get more content on your page. And when Google comes and checks out your site, they'll like it a lot more and rank it higher. The next thing that you want to prioritize with your website is backlinks. So if you come here and look at backlinks, a backlink is basically a vote for your site from another site. It's like saying, your neighbor saying, Link Elite's great personal training program. That's between a neighbor saying it and then the governor of Kentucky saying, ideally it's the same vote. They're both one vote. However, one's got a little bit more weight to it. So that's what a backlink is. And it shows you have two backlinks from two referring domains. However, there is not much trust associated with them. And you can come down here and see which ones we're talking about. So Fitness 2019, and you're also on News 6 Online. So you are getting some traffic from these two websites sent to your guys' websites, but they don't have a lot of trust associated with them. You are getting some, citation flow, but you really want a higher trust flow and a higher citation flow than your opponents. If you come here, and look at Fitness KY, you can see they have a trust flow of 8 and a citation flow of 19. However, they've only got 7 referring domains, so they're not doing very well with utilizing that top spot and making sure that they keep it. So there's things I can show you on how to get more backlinks so that you can beat these guys out and get a higher trust flow, higher citation flow, and that's what's really going to enable you to rank a lot higher on Google. The last thing I want to show you is the Google My Business. I didn't see you guys in there. You're probably in the more business area, but you really want to be taking up this top spot, because when people are looking for personal trainers or fitness on their phones, they're doing it through their phones, right? So they're doing it through their phones. They're Googling it, and then rather than directions, website pop up, it's what's going to pop up is phone number, website, or direction. So someone can click on the phone icon and immediately call you. So when you have this top spot, you can immediately have people to call you. And the way you do this is, one, if you don't have it already, is getting a Google My Business account, so you can have your business up here. And the second thing is, it doesn't matter who, but you just want people to start sending you a lot of 5-star reviews. Just have mother, father, friends, family, chiropractor, everyone sending you guys 5-star reviews. And you can make it a lot easier for your clients to do this too. So those are 3 of the main tricks. There's a lot of other things you can do in terms of finding the right keywords. I'm getting a lot more citations, so you can spread the roots of your business deeper online. Um, Figuring out the Google algorithms, and this is something that if you have more questions about, more than happy to help you. Like I said, I'm trying to find a business in Bowling Green to work with. Came across your guys' website on the second page of Google and figured I can give you this video just to show you some ways that you can you can build your business and start dominating, beating out OP Fitness KY, and then taking up this top spot, so you can start getting more customers and clients coming through the door. You have any questions about this, let me know. More than happy to chat with you. You can reply to the email that this video came in, or just email me directly at taurusseo.co@gmail.com. Hey, hope this video was helpful, and have a fantastic day.